It is time for an episode of what I wore this week. In this video, I've got 5 really cute outfits. I'm so excited to share these with you. If you're looking for elevated casual, maybe something to wear for an evening out, this video is for you. And I want you guys to use this for inspiration on how you plan your looks. And I will have everything linked in the description box. Whatever's still available, you'll find the exact link, but whatever's not available, I will link to something similar. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley Parke. This is Parke Avenue, and I have all the fashion content. So if that's what you love, make sure you subscribe and hit those notification bells because you don't want to miss any of my uploads. Now, before we get into the video, I have to tell you about my hair. I know you're gonna ask, and I'm excited to share. I told you guys previously that I was looking forward to a curly install that I had coming up, and this is it. I cannot be happier. I'm having so much fun already. What I have installed are Indian natural curly bundles from Ebook hair. I am so obsessed. I've tried a lot of textures from Ebook hair, and right now this is so much fun, especially with all the rainy, humid weather we're having. This is like the perfect install. I do not have to worry about my hair frizzing up because it'll just frizz up with the curly hair, and I'm having a lot of fun with this. And what I have going on here is actually a unit crafted by Aisha Seiko. She's in the Atlanta area. If you are in the Atlanta area, then you need to book with her. She's very knowledgeable about extensions, installs, and making sure your natural hair is cared for underneath. You guys who watch my channel, you already know, lately especially, I've been going back and forth between installs and wearing my natural hair out. So for me, I have to make sure that once I want to take a break in between installs, that I still have my own hair and it's healthy. Aisha created this unit, and I just have like a little hair around my perimeter, and the unit is actually sewed down. It is a flip over, so I don't have a defined part, but I can flip it over side to side. I can do half up, half down, and it's going to be a lot of fun to play around with how I style it as well. But I really love it just out and very voluminous. So I'm really happy with this install. I'll keep you guys posted on like my nighttime routines, the products that I experiment with, because sometimes I'm gonna wear it more defined. Sometimes I'm gonna wear it like really fluffy and big in between. I'm just excited for experimenting with this hair. I will have all the information in the description box. I'll have a link to the Ebook website along with my promo code, which will get you money off your bundles. And then I'll also have Aisha Seiko's information so you guys can book with her. All right, so now let's get into these outfits because I'm very excited about these. I don't know if it's my hair. I was just really inspired when I put these looks together, but I think they're so fun, very comfortable, and they're just cute, stylish outfits that you want to wear over and over. So this first look that I want to talk about, the top that I'm wearing is from Banana Republic. Love this top. A nice sheer knit is really great for the summer months. I know we've been seeing this sheer trend for some time now. I really don't think it's going to go anywhere even when it stops trending. It's just something really good about it, especially in the summer months. A black sheer piece just looks so good. And I just love how comfortable this is. It's a little bit loose. And I paired it with this new skirt that I got from Parke. This is a circle skirt. It's so much fun. It has so much movement and it has pockets. I really like this skirt, and I regret so much that I didn't grab it in green. And the thing is, it sold out really fast in green. And then it actually came back in stock, and I slept on it and then it was gone again. So hopefully they'll bring it back. If they don't, I still have the black one, and I'm really happy with it. It has a lining, like a shorter slip underneath. If you're looking for something you can wear into the office or super casually with just like some sandals or even a heel, you can dress it up. You can do a sneaker with it. You can do a lot with this skirt. It's a great black skirt. So check this one out if you're looking for something like this. And my bag is from Parke as well. I love this bag so much. It also comes in red. I shared this with you guys on Instagram. I shared it in a previous video, and the black did sell out, but I saw that it came back in stock. So it might be an item that comes in and out, so keep an eye out. If it is out of stock by the time you see this video, it could come back, but I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. Love this bag so much. And then on my feet, I'm wearing these zebra printed sandals from Zara. They're a pony hair. They have texture to them. They're really cute, very comfortable. Now, I will link something similar because the only pair that I found was in New York. While I was there, I stopped at the Hudson Yards Zara location, and this was the only pair left when I did a Zara search in Atlanta and in New York. This is the only pair left in my size. So I'll link something similar, but you can do a solid black sandal. If you had a red, that would be great as well. I mean, it's an all black outfit, so you got a lot of wiggle room when it comes to what color pops you want to add to the look. And then around my wrist, I have a necklace actually from J. Crew. I love how chunky it is. And then my sunglasses are Bottega. Here's the next look. And this one has a lot of personality, but still super comfortable. I like how easy it is, It just looks stylish, but it was so easy. The top that I'm wearing is from J. Crew. I love this rugby shirt so much. It's very high quality. It's comfortable. It just looks so good. And this is one you will get compliments on. definitely check it out. I love this. And then on the bottom, I'm wearing some of my favorite pants at the moment. They're from Abercrombie. I have these in black as well. I sized up a couple sizes in these. I really wanted them to be baggy. I love these. And then on my feet, I'm wearing a pair of Gianvito Rossi sandals. These are the Bijou sandals. And at one point, these were super popular in the higher heel height with the ankle strap. I opted for the shorter heel. That's more like a mule, like a slide. And I just really love these shoes. I feel like whether or not they're on trend, they're a fun sandal. And that's kind of what I've been wanting to acquire more of, just really fun sandals. I love a mule, but for me, a comfort shoe is very important. Whether or not it's a higher heel or a shorter heel, I'm just not willing to sacrifice my comfort anymore when it comes to my heels, period. So I really recommend these. And then I'm gonna show you guys another pair that I would recommend as well with a higher heel. And then for my accessories, I'm wearing my Coach bag. I still love this bag so much. This is just a really nice carry-all, throw it over your shoulder. It's in a brown, a neutral color. And technically, I'm just wearing a bunch of neutrals with this outfit, and then I just have a color pop with the shoes. So even though I have the navy blue and white stripe, the pants are a green, the bag is brown, and then my sunglasses are Gucci. They have the green lenses. Really, the only actual color pops are my sunglasses and my shoes. So even though it seems like I'm wearing a lot of colors, everything is really neutral, so it just really goes together. Here's the next look I want to show you. This cropped shirt is like a cotton blend shirt that I got from Banana Republic a while back. I also grabbed it in black because I just thought it was like a really easy top to throw on with like my linen wide leg pants, just things like that, and the jeans like I'm showing you here. And these jeans are from Zara. They still are available, so make sure you guys check them out. They'll be linked in the description box. I really love these. I did have to get the waist taken in, but I always do. And these are just a really great wash. They had other washes in these jeans, so if you just like the silhouette but you want to try a different wash, then check those out as well. But these are a really great pair of barrel leg jeans, and I just love that they are a little bit slouchy, a little bit baggy, but I still get a really good shape. And on my feet, I'm wearing a pair of Arizona Love sandals. I've had these for some years. I just really love these. They're comfortable and they're sporty, but they still have a very feminine aspect to them with the beading, and I like the shine from the beading on more of like a fabric strap. I think it is a nice contrast, even though it is all the same color. And then for my bag, I'm wearing my mesh bag from COS that I love, and my sunglasses are Tom Ford. Here's the next look that I want to show you. I just love this outfit so much. It is so cute, and I just think it's a lot of fun, you know? And another great way to do denim on denim, because both pieces that I'm wearing are denim. The vest that I'm wearing is from The Gap. It has a nice contour to it. It's long line. The jeans that I'm wearing are new in from Abercrombie. I love these jeans so much. They're a barrel style, and you know, barrel style pant, jean, anything, hate to see me coming, because I just love the shape so much. And these are the barrel jeans from Abercrombie in the Curve Love line. I've tried the regular and the Curve Love line. I like both. Now the Curve Love line is supposed to offer a little bit more room in the hips, I believe, so that way you don't have that waist gap. And I feel like generally, like I have a pair of jeans from Abercrombie that I didn't have to get the waist taken in, but with these, I absolutely have to get the waist taken in. It's just still too big. So I'm really not sure why. Maybe it's the barrel shape. I'm really not sure why these, I have to get the waist taken in. But I like these a lot, so it's fine with me. I wanted to show you guys before I did take them, because I go to Nordstrom to get my tailoring done, most of my tailoring done. But right now, I don't know if it's because it's prom season or what's going on, but they are very backed up at the Nordstrom that I go to. So it's gonna probably be a couple weeks. And as a matter of fact, I have another pair of jeans that I gotta go pick up that were with them for the past 2 weeks. So I wanted to show you guys these because I won't have them for a while, but love them, highly recommend. And they're just a great pair of white jeans. On my feet, I went with those same zebra printed sandals from Zara. I love a zebra print, I love a snake print, and like a cheetah print, leopard print. They're all super interesting neutrals. So I highly recommend, if you're someone who's just like scared to play around with color, or if you just don't know how to mix prints with your outfits, or even colors, then get you some animal prints. They're neutrals. They really are neutrals. Even cow print, I love a cow print. You can really style them with a bunch of different things, and they will elevate your look. They'll add something to it. And for my bag, I wanted to go with a color pop, so I went with this red leather clutch from COS. My sunglasses are by Celine. I like how black they are, especially with this outfit. I feel like I want to pull out a little bit of the blacks as well. And then my necklace is an older piece from Zara. And here is the last look that I want to show you. I was so comfortable in this look. I wore this for a night out with some friends. Winston and I went to an art show, and we had such a great time, and this outfit was so comfortable to wear. And these are the shoes I was talking about. They're a little bit higher heel, but they're still so comfortable. Like, I wore them the entire night, and my feet didn't hurt. I didn't have any issues. So I'll just start from the top. I'm wearing this shirt from Brooks Brothers. This is a piece that I actually got from my mother, so it's pretty much vintage at this point, but it's in great condition. I love the silhouette. It's just a nice tailored fitting shirt. And then on the bottom, I'm wearing this slip skirt that I got from J. Crew. I actually spoke to some of you over on Instagram and you told me that you were able to snag this skirt for a really great price. So I'll have it listed. I know this colorway that I'm wearing, the black with the white lace, it goes in and out of stock. They also had a navy blue with black lace, and then I believe they also had a white with black lace, but there were a couple other variations. A great skirt. I would love to have it in another colorway as well, maybe the navy with the black, but very comfortable. It's just such a good skirt. And then on my feet, I'm wearing a pair of Alaya mules. These are so comfortable. I saw them come in stock on Saks Off Fifth at a really great price if you guys are looking. So if they're still available, I'll have them linked in the description box. These are so good. I just love how comfortable they are. They're fun. They have the patent finish. They're a work of art, if you ask me. I love these shoes so much. And I actually am going to be picking up another pair of red like mules. And if you guys want to check those out, I have them linked in the description box, because that might be a great alternative if you just want something at, you know, a lower price point, or you just want a different design altogether. You guys might want to check those out. And then for my bag, I went with this YSL bag that I've had for a really long time. I'll link to the variation of it that's available now. And that one you might like even better actually, because it's a little bit bigger. So it looks like you can actually fit a little more, because I can't fit much in mine, to be honest. I can fit my phone and a couple cards and my lip gloss. And that's really pretty much it. But I love the tassel, and I tend to wear it crossbody. I really like the chain, but you can wear it like on your shoulder if you just wrap the strap around the bag a couple times. You can wear it over your shoulder. You can just carry it, you know, in your hand. You can wear it as a clutch. It's a nice versatile bag that I do reach for a lot. And that's it. That's everything I have for you this week. All the information, all the links to my hair and my outfits will be listed in the description box. So be sure to check there. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to catch me on any of my other socials, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, that information is listed in the description box as well. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I would love to have you. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.